The statement of offense relates to 1, the sale of a plot of land to National Hardware at a value that the charge says is below the market value, well, rather at a value without securing a valuation certificate from a valuation officer. That relates to National Hardware. Is the land was sold for $598,659,000. It's 10 acres was also sold to Multi Cinemas. There's another charge. The purchase price there was $185 million. And then another plot of land, which is the subject of the third charge, was sold to a Skady Business Corporation, 4.7 acres. The purchase price was $150 million. Now, these are very strange charges. My client, as you know, and my learned friend client are out of the country. I barely got to make contact with my client late last night. I am unable to report on what arrangements will be made for him to be here. Importantly, both Winston Brassington and Dr. Ashley Singh, through their respective attorneys at law, wrote to SOCU and said, if it is that you wish to contact our client, then please do so through us. No one made contact with us during these investigations. So there was no participation of the accused person in these investigations. Not a statement being sought, not an explanation being sought from them, but they are met with criminal charges. This is not how investigations are done in a civilized democratic society. What you have here is the criminal justice system being used as a political weapon to settle political grouses.
My immediate concern is to see that the defendants get a fair trial within our judicial system and that they, I'm sure, will be allowed to put their defense fully, and that the state will be charged with the burden of ensuring that they prove the elements of the charge which they have brought. And that's what I'm prepared to say, that our clients, or my client in particular, and I'm sure my learned friend's client as well, is here to answer those charges and to vindicate his innocence.